Are you done?
Whoa, it's a good sharpener.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, some of us are just finishing up. I'm going to begin to move on. If you are still shading in, I need you to stop what you're doing now, and you'll have to come back to it, because we're ready to move on. So, eyes are up here in a row. Make sure I can see your eyes and that you're facing me. Do not put those colored pencils away yet. We're still going to need them. If you have, just don't worry about it for now. We'll get to it in a minute. Thank you, Bennett. Thanks, Charlie. Joe, Simon, Maddie, Ariana. Pencils down. Good job. Here's the next step. Okay. This is coming down. Now, could I ask for your help to pass some of these up? With me? Or...
You need your straight edge?
And then, why don't you help pass these up to this side, okay?
Okay.
Now, Sage, can you make sure everybody gets a straight edge, okay? Right now you're going to receive a template that has a circle. It sort of looks like my sheet up here on the bottom. And you're going to receive a green straight edge. It's a piece of tag paper, cardstock paper. That's what you're going to use as a straight edge today. Make sure that when you get those things, that they're right in front of you, ready to go. Wait till I'm done giving instructions, and then you can ask questions. I need your ears on me right now. Also, you are going to place your poem so it is underneath the white sheet, okay? Because I don't want too many distractions out. So Orion has it figured out over here. He's got his blue sheet underneath his white sheet, so it looks kind of just like this. You can't hardly see that blue sheet. Over here, copy what Vivica has done.
Sage?
Joe, you're set. Back tables look good.
I didn't do it.
Don't cover it. Just pick them out and put them down.
All right. Everyone has a template. Name, date. Top right corner. Go. No. Top right corner. Name, date. It's labeled on there for you, so just put your name above where it says name. Get the date. Today is April 18th. So 4/18/12. All right. Once your date is there, pencil is down and eyes are on me.
You have your color check? Good. Take them out, put them down, and the rest of them go in your desk.
Okay. I have my circle. This is my pie chart. You have one on your template that you just got. And I'm sort of hesitating right now because I noticed that I have some eyes that are still not on. And I want to make sure everybody sees this part. This is going to be very important. Pie chart. Really important. Key. Really important. Can't have one without the other. It's really hard. It doesn't work. So, the first thing I'm going to do is grab my number line. Now, this is my pretend number line for today. Okay, so imagine that this is like the one that you just colored on your desk. I'm going to need a volunteer to come up and help me. Jolie, why don't you come up? What we're going to do... This way, right? Because why?
Because largest to smallest.
Largest to smallest. Wonderful. So my largest one, and look, and this is why I changed the pink. You notice? It sort of matches better. So, Julie, if you could help me hold this. So the end is right here, starting right at that end. And then I'll make sure that I line my, and let's try and duck down a little bit so you can see. Jolie's hand is up here holding. Reach it as a try. Alright. What I'm doing is I'm making sure that my number line stays on the line of my circle. I'm not out here, right? I'm not in here, because I won't be very accurate that way. Jolie's focusing on keeping it on that dot. I'm going around. What I'm going to do is I have my pencil in my hand. Can you hold this right here?
It works.
I don't actually have it in my hand. I appreciate your help. I saw that. I'm going to make, with my pen, a tiny little mark right where the colors change. And Jolie can lift off my number line. Thank you for helping. You can find your seat. Very, very much appreciated. I have my first plot point on my line. This is the graph. Now you're not doing this, and I don't see anyone doing that, so I appreciate that, because your eyes are all on mine. The next thing I'm going to do is take my straight edge, and if you're wondering, I bet you're wondering right now, maybe Bennett's about to ask this, are we working with partners today? Yeah, we are. We're going to need to use a partner in order to do this. Like I needed Jolie to help me, you're going to have to help each other out and do this. Bennett, what were you going to ask?
I actually have a comment. We did this around like the first or second week of school.
Really?
Like we had a number line.
Yep.
And that's what I.
And this, exactly, and so now this, remembering back then, this is sort of building off of that. And so it's good to be exposed to it more than one time. And this is a little bit different of a way. All right, back to what we have here. I made my plot point. Jolie helped me with that. I'm going to take my straight edge. I'm going to connect first my center line, which goes from the middle of my pie chart to the top point, using my straight edge. And here I go. I hope that works. I'm not sure how it works on a Promethean board here, but oh, nice. It looks okay. Not done yet. Now,
You can use the line tool.
and you don't have to actually stand up and look back at your paper when you do it. You should do it all smoothly. There's my second one.
He's not, because he wants to have you know how to do it on your paper.
I have my first section marked off. I'm not going to shade it in yet. The next step is crucial. You and your partner now switch roles, and you help your partner get their lines down. Okay? Because otherwise you're shading and your partner's sitting there whistling or twirling the hands, waiting for you to finish coloring, and you're taking forever. So this way you can both color, you can have your turn to color, and then move on. Any questions on this?
Can our partners be at different tables?
Your partner, that's a great question, is the person that is sitting directly across from you.
Well, what is Shannon's?
Henry and Joe, you'll be partners. Anna and Charlie.
What about?
Couldn't I just give you our
What about this one?
Yes, actually, I'm sorry. Thank you for pointing that out, Veronica. Why don't you scoot over here and work here? Now, Oh, here we go. Henry and Charlie.
Take your pencils too, sweetheart. Yeah, just go sit right across from it. And your straight edge. There you go.
Boys and girls, I need your eyes and ears. Thank you very much. Ty has asked a very, very, very important question. Ty, what did you say? What did you ask?
If the colors can be the same on the
Okay, that is a great question, and the answer is yes. So that's why we got our 6 colors out, and I asked you not to put the colors away yet. If you did that, that's okay. Just kind of take them out as you get to work. Not yet, but when we start. They're going to have to match up. So to Ty's number line, just like this, Ethan's going to help her hold it. Hold it around her. Hold it up. Hold it up, or he's going to hold it here. And however they can work together to make it work so that it doesn't matter who holds it where, as long as it works. You know what I mean? And so her section, first section, is going to be colored red. And that's important, okay?
We talked about it.
Any other questions before we begin? Ben?
Well, I noticed on my number line that I have a little left over right there.
That's another great thing to notice. I'm glad Bennett brought this up. Everyone's eyes are here. Thanks, Charlie. Thank you, Anna, for your eyes. And Henry, thank you for your eyes on me. Bennett said, wait, there's a little white spot left here, Mr. Stanton. What is the deal with that? And this, you need to just ignore it for now, because later we're going to use it to tape down. Not today, don't worry about it. So it will be white. You're not going to put that on your graph. You know how many sections you need on your graph. And so by the end of today, the full circle will be colored. A lot of information. So I'm going to float around. We'll have Miss G and Miss K going around to help. You can get started on that first section, just the first one. Go ahead.
When you left, so we'll do first. Okay. Sure. Will you hold this for me, please? I need you to hold it for two.
Oh wait, Jolie, you're the table manager. Will you go get the? You go get the box, please.
Shouldn't need it.
No, the ruler straight up.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, never mind, Jolie.
Sorry.
Yeah, would you mind? And then
Okay, ready, Jack?
like we can do the rest by ourselves, right? I don't know.
I'm gonna put the 0 exactly on there. Just needs to be sharp. Just use an orange for now.
Are you okay? Can you get the splinter from
Okay, and then do the.
that line? I'm fine. Oh, that's it.
So I hate trade.
It's supposed to be dark blue, but all right. Oh, dark
That's
blue.
right here.
Yeah. This is harder. Now, like.
Colored in.
No.